Hi friends, today we're gonna count to 100 using cookies. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cookies. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 cookies. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 cookies. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40 cookies. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 cookies. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 60 cookies. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 70 cookies. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 80 cookies. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 90 cookies. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 100 cookies. Did you count them all? Good job! See you next time. Bye!